This is an 8-foot board-on-board fence with number 1 grade Western red cedar wood. The pickets are pre-dipped with a beautiful stain, and the fence is finished with a top cap and trim and footer board. A custom 8-foot fence is always a great choice for your yard. The board-on-board installation means boards are overlaid on top of one another, a precise, staggered pattern, ensuring privacy and absolutely no gaps or cracks. This gives it a symmetric, sturdy look. Number 1 grade Western red cedar is not only a beautiful wood, but also extremely durable. We highly recommend it since it is longer lasting and the most attractive wood to use for a fence. Boards can be installed unstained, be stained on site, or come pre-dipped like this project for a cleaner, faster install. Below is the pressure-treated pine footer board, which helps protect the bottom of the pickets and can help eliminate gapping where the grade of the yard changes. We finished this fence with a top cap and trim, giving it a crafted, custom look.